Welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale. I hope that you are doing great. I'm here in Brussels and I think that you can see it's a quite sunny day. Today we would like to get you some news. So the first news is in September we decided to do a 20% discount on our full consultancy call or consultancy plus tax simulation. So if you go on the website, the full prices are 497 for the hour consultancy with us and 897 with the simulation. You can have a discount of 20%. Just text us an email at info@esentaxa.com with the code September 2023. So what to do before opening an online business in Italy? This is not about the Forfait Regime because, of course, as we talk about the Italian rules, as we talk about the things that you need to do before moving to Italy, I decided to discuss also regarding the not only the taxes, of course, but also about the procedures. So depend where are you from. So now we simulate today just two things. The first case is you live in Europe, you have an e-commerce you want to sell in Italy. Let's say you want to do Amazon FBA, drop shipping, video courses, you sell clothes. What you need to do before selling to Italy? But actually, this is the same thing in Europe. You need to open a VAT, get a VAT number in Italy. You can do these things in two ways. The easiest way is, if you only want to sell in Italy, is to ask for a VAT number and pay the VAT in Italy. Because I remind you, if you live, for example, in Germany and you want to sell to Italy, you need to have a VAT when you pass the threshold, which is 10,000 euro. There is a small procedures to do this. Actually, we also realized a guide, a video guide that will be available on the 18th of September. So stay tuned because normally we do the lives every week. I will try to do the live every week at this time, 1 p.m. Time in Europe. I'm based in Brussels. Just to give you the information about the channel. Consider that even if you, let's say, and this is another particular thing, no? In Italy, you may be registered as a legal entity, so established legal entity, as well as a not established legal entity. When you register as a not established legal entity, it means that you don't have an employee in Italy. You don't have an office in Italy. You don't care about being in Italy. This is the opposite thing when we have the Forfait regime. This is the total opposite thing, no? Because here in the case that I'm telling you today, you only need to get the VAT number. Pay attention. Now I'm saying VAT number, not establishment. You may already have some familiarity with those concepts, but remember also that you need the fiscal code, the codice fiscale. So you need the codice fiscale because you can be either a tax limited, an LLC that want to sell to Italy, or a physical person which have another VAT number in Germany or Belgium, let's say, and you want to sell to Italy. In the both ways, you need to get fiscal code. You may need the fiscal code as a physical person or as a legal rep of the company. There is also a procedure to get those, and please note that those things are mandatory. Once you have then the fiscal code, you can request also the number, the VAT number. And again, here we also realized a guide that will be available around the 18th of September. So those are the steps for this procedure. You need to pay attention, and you need to do those steps. Another question is, okay, if I am if I use the Forfait Regime, what I need to do? This is another thing. I will invite you to watch the other videos that we did, because in this case you live in Italy as a person, not as a company, as a physical person. So of course you will have a VAT. You can use the physical person. You can be a physical person, live in Italy, and again use as an e-commerce. So this is quite important. Before closing this live, I will now try to already put a reminder. So try to do every Wednesday around this time, around 1 p.m. We are live. And then specifically I am doing this video, so when you will see the live, you can see the save the date next Wednesday, so you can ask me questions. For September, I remind you, you send us an email with the code September 2023, and you will have a 20% discount on our services. So if you have some questions, we are waiting your email. Until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your staying in Italy.